Hi guys, as you know, our business is used car vehicles export. This includes the export of buses and trucks. Today we bought this bus for export. It is used for family travel, for long sightseeing. This is Hyundai Bus 2004. It is used as a hotel during sightseeing. Let me show you some inside scenes. As you can see, it has all the necessary things which one we need during visit. This is piano, music system. You can see have both side benches and that all music system LCD. And here you can look, have laptop, computer and printer for some uses. And after that, this chair and fan and heater for winter, and this is water dispenser. And this is kitchen. Have everything here in kitchen use. You can see this I open, have something also under that, and on the roof here everything can save here in kitchen use. As you can see, as I say, this is used bus, old bus, that's why have some dirty inside, so this will clean and next after clean and wash everything, maintain something, so after can have in use. And here is wardrobe for hang clothes. This also can clean and after some maintenance will use. And here is one more rack. Here they place fridge and other something. Here you can look, have a huge bed for sleep. This is head side, and but have some unnecessary stuff on the bed. This everything unnecessary things will remove and whole bus will clean. After cleaning, this bus can use well. Just need to clean this, but have a big place. You can see very big bed. If anyone needs a bus of the same year, same model or above model, or used bus in luxury class, they can email me. My email address is in description, so don't hesitate to email me. All Korean used car, Hyundai, Kia and other imported cars, trucks, buses and imported car like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Toyota, Honda, Lexus, any model and any year you will order, we will provide you. You just email me, I will reply you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel. Here is family who using before this bus. Okay, see you in next video. Thank you very much.